Understanding, remaining the same, a guide to consistency in English. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the meaning and usage of the phrases, remaining the same, or staying the same. These expressions are widely used in English to describe situations, conditions, or states that do not change over time. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, grasping the essence of these phrases can significantly enhance your understanding and fluency in English. So, let's get started. When we say something is remaining the same, we are talking about a situation, condition, or any aspect of life that does not undergo any change. It signifies consistency, stability, or a lack of alteration over a period. This phrase can be applied in various contexts, from personal circumstances and emotions to professional settings and beyond. Example sentences: despite the economic fluctuations, the company's policy is remaining the same. Even after years of friendship, their bond is remaining the same. Understanding how to incorporate remaining the same into your sentences can make your English sound more natural and fluent. Let's explore some examples and contexts where this phrase fits perfectly. In personal contexts, no matter what happens, my commitment to learning English is remaining the same. In professional contexts, the job requirements are remaining the same, despite the new management. In describing situations, the weather is remaining the same throughout the week, with no signs of rain. To add variety to your English, it's useful to know some synonyms and variations of remaining the same. Here are a few: staying constant, maintaining status quo, keeping steady, not changing. Using these alternatives can help you avoid repetition and enrich your vocabulary. And that wraps up our exploration of remaining the same in English. Remember, mastering the use of such phrases will not only help you in understanding English better but also in expressing yourself more precisely and confidently. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content like this. Keep practicing, and see you in the next video.